Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best JFSA Regulated Forex Brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXCM. FXCM, established in 1999, is a trusted global broker renowned for its innovative and user-friendly trading station platform, available across desktop, web, and mobile. Designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, the broker combines innovative tools with advanced features that make navigating the markets easier and more efficient. Beyond its platform, the broker offers comprehensive educational resources, in-depth market analysis, and responsive customer support, ensuring traders have the guidance and tools they need to make more informed decisions. Backed by a strong regulatory framework and worldwide presence, FXCM provides a secure and reliable trading environment, making it a preferred choice for traders seeking both performance and peace of mind. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to various trading strategies and preferences. Traders can access a wide selection of currency pairs, including major, minor, and exotic pairs. For those interested in indices, FXCM provides CFDs on global indices. Commodity traders can engage with CFDs on commodities like gold, silver, crude oil, and agricultural products. Additionally, the broker offers single share CFDs, allowing traders to speculate on individual stocks without owning the underlying asset. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts can trade CFDs on popular cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. These instruments are available on the broker's proprietary trading platform, which offers advanced charting tools and seamless execution. Their flagship trading station is a proprietary platform available on web, desktop, and mobile devices. It provides advanced charting tools, automated trading capabilities, and a user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both novice and experienced traders. FXCM also supports MetaTrader 4 as well as TradingView integration, which allows traders to analyze markets using advanced charting tools and execute trades directly from the platform. These platforms are designed to offer seamless execution, real-time market data, and a comprehensive trading experience across multiple devices. The broker offers a range of trading account types to cater to different trading needs and preferences. Their standard account provides access to popular currency pairs and CFDs with enhanced execution and no restrictions on stop and limit orders. For traders who actively engage in the markets, the active trader account offers tiered pricing based on trading volume, along with additional benefits such as dedicated support and advanced trading tools. These account types are designed to accommodate various trading strategies and preferences, ensuring that traders have the flexibility and support they need to succeed in the markets. FXCM offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to support traders at all levels. Their offerings include live daily webinars, such as the Morning Market Review and the Crypto Minute, providing real-time market insights. Additionally, FXCM provides a library of in-depth trading guides covering topics like Forex fundamentals, successful trading traits, and beginner share market strategies. Traders can also access free online courses, on-demand videos, and a live online classroom to enhance their trading knowledge. To further support learning, FXCM offers a free demo account for practice and the FXCM Plus platform, which include tools like trading analytics to help traders refine their strategies. At number 4 on our list is Tickmill. Tickmill is a global provider of online trading services, offering access to a wide range of financial markets, including Forex, commodities, indices, and shares. With a reputation for transparency, reliability, and competitive pricing, Tickmill is dedicated to providing traders with the tools and support they need to succeed in the financial markets. Founded in 2014, Tickmill has grown rapidly, serving clients from over 200 countries and territories worldwide. the broker provides access to cutting-edge trading platforms designed to meet their diverse needs and preferences. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and MetaTrader Web platforms, as well as the Tickmill mobile trading application. These platforms offer a seamless trading experience across multiple devices, including desktops, laptops, smartphones, and tablets, allowing traders to stay connected and trade the markets anytime, anywhere. Tickmill offers a range of trading account types designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. Their accounts include the classic and raw account types, along with demo and Islamic account options. Whether traders are looking for tight spreads, low commissions, or additional trading features, Tickmill has an account type to suit their preferences. The broker is committed to empowering traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. Through its comprehensive educational resources such as trading strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. These resources are designed to cater to various learning styles and levels of experience, from articles and videos to webinars and seminars. Tickmill's educational offerings are accessible and informative, helping traders navigate the complexities of the financial markets with confidence. Overall, Tickmill stands as a trusted global provider of online trading services, committed to delivering excellence, transparency, and reliability to traders worldwide. With a comprehensive range of market instruments, advanced trading platforms, diverse account types, and extensive educational resources, Tickmill empowers traders to pursue their financial goals with confidence and success. Whether you are new to trading or an experienced professional, the broker offers the tools, support, and opportunities you need to thrive in the dynamic world of finance. Coming in at number 3, we have Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a global investment bank specializing in online trading and investment services. Founded in 1992 and headquartered in Copenhagen, Denmark, it offers a comprehensive range of financial products, including forex, stocks, bonds, options, futures, and ETFs. With access to over 70,000 instruments, Saxo Bank provides competitive pricing, deep liquidity, and advanced trading tools to suit both retail and institutional traders. Its comprehensive product offering enables investors to diversify their portfolios and execute trades efficiently on world-class trading platforms. Saxo Bank provides powerful and intuitive trading platforms designed for traders and investors of all levels. Its flagship platforms, Saxo Trader Go and Saxo Trader Pro, offer seamless access to global markets with advanced charting tools, risk management features, and in-depth market analysis. Saxo Trader Go is a user-friendly web-based platform ideal for traders who need flexibility, while Saxo Trader Pro is a professional-grade platform with customized workspaces and advanced trading functionalities. Both platforms deliver a high-performance trading experience across desktop, web, and mobile devices, ensuring efficiency and precision for all users. Saxo Bank offers a variety of trading account types to suit different investment needs and trading styles, which include the Saxo, Joint, Corporate, Professional, ISA, SIPP, Trust, and Demo account types, with 3 tiers: Classic, Platinum, and VIP. The Classic account is designed for casual traders, providing access to a wide range of financial instruments with competitive spreads. The Platinum account caters to more active traders, offering enhanced support and additional benefits such as lower costs and higher leverage. For professional traders, the VIP account provides premium services including personalized support, exclusive tools, and tailored pricing. Each account type is designed to offer flexibility, advanced features, and optimal conditions for traders at every level. The broker provides a wealth of educational resources to help traders and investors enhance their knowledge and skills. Through the Saxo Academy, clients can access a wide range of learning materials, including video tutorials, webinars, in-depth articles, and expert insights. The platform covers essential topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and platform navigation. Whether beginners or experienced traders, Saxo Bank's educational resources empower users with the knowledge needed to make informed trading decisions and navigate global financial markets effectively. At number 2 on our list is Forex.com. Forex.com, a prominent online forex trading platform, offers a wide array of tools and resources tailored to suit traders of all levels of experience. With a user-friendly interface and advanced trading technology, Forex.com provides access to a diverse range of currency pairs and competitive pricing. Whether users are seeking to diversify their investment portfolio or engage in speculative trading, Forex.com remains a trusted destination for navigating the dynamic world of forex trading. Forex.com offers a comprehensive range of market instruments designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from major, minor, and exotic forex currency pairs to indices, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, as well as gold and silver. Forex.com provides access to a wide spectrum of trading opportunities. Traders can capitalize on global market movements with precision and flexibility, utilizing advanced trading tools and resources available on the platform. With competitive pricing and reliable execution, Forex.com ensures that traders have the tools they need to navigate the financial markets effectively. Forex.com offers a selection of advanced trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders, providing seamless access to global financial markets. Their platforms include the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, the Forex.com proprietary web and mobile platforms, as well as the TradingView trading platform. With a variety of trading platforms to choose from, Forex.com caters to traders of all levels of expertise and preferences. Forex.com offers a variety of trading account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders, ensuring a personalized trading experience. These account types include the standard, MetaTrader, and raw trading accounts, along with demo and Islamic account options. The broker provides options to suit every trading style. With a range of account options and features, Forex.com empowers traders to tailor their trading experience to their specific preferences and goals. Forex.com offers a wealth of educational resources designed to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. From comprehensive educational articles and tutorials covering fundamental concepts to advanced trading strategies, Forex.com provides valuable insights for traders of all levels. Additionally, the platform offers live webinars and seminars conducted by industry experts, offering real-time market analysis and trading insights. Traders can also access a wide range of trading tools and resources, including market analysis, economic calendars, and trading calculators, to enhance their trading decisions. Overall, Forex.com stands as a premier destination for traders seeking access to the dynamic world of forex trading. With its comprehensive range of market instruments, diverse selection of trading account types, advanced trading platforms, and wealth of educational resources, Forex.com is dedicated to empowering traders of all levels to achieve their financial goals. Whether traders are looking to diversify their investment portfolios, engage in speculative trading, or enhance their trading skills, Forex.com remains a trusted partner in navigating the global financial markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best JFSA regulated forex brokers, we have Alpari. Alpari is a seasoned global broker with over 25 years of experience in the financial markets. Founded in 1998 and trusted by over 1 million clients worldwide, the broker offers access to a wide range of financial instruments with competitive spreads and commission-free accounts. Traders can choose from multiple platforms, providing flexibility for both mobile and desktop trading. The broker supports its users with extensive educational resources, including demo accounts, webinars, tutorials, and expert market insights. catering to both beginners and experienced traders. With a variety of account types, Alpari accommodates different trading preferences and strategies, while daily market analysis helps users stay informed and make well-considered decisions. The broker gives traders access to over 750 financial instruments across a wide spectrum of markets. You can dive into Forex, trading major, minor, and exotic currency pairs. Commodities are also available, like crude oil, Brent oil, and natural gas, as well as metals including gold and silver, great for leveraging international exchanges. Cryptocurrencies are also available, as well as ETF CFDs, futures CFDs, and crosses CFDs for unique cross-market opportunities. The broker offers a choice of 3 powerful trading platforms. The proprietary Alpari trading application is designed for mobile traders, giving easy access to markets, account management, and trade ideas on the go. For desktop users and advanced users, MetaTrader 4 provides reliable tools like customizable charts, automated trading, and multi-account management. Meanwhile, MetaTrader 5 expands on this with more indicators, deeper market access, stock trading, and advanced strategy testing. Perfect for traders who want more flexibility and power. The broker offers a variety of trading accounts to suit different experience levels and strategies. Their micro account is ideal for beginners, using cent-based balances and smaller trade sizes to trade real markets with lower risk. The standard account provides access to most trading instruments with no commission and a low minimum deposit, making it suitable for less experienced traders. For more advanced users, the ECN account offers tight spreads and commission-free trading on Forex, indices, and commodities, while the Pro ECN account is designed for seasoned traders, providing zero spreads, low commissions, access to all instruments, and advanced trading tools. Alpari keeps traders informed with timely market news and in-depth analysis across multiple instruments. Its daily updates provide expert insights into market trends, price movements, and key economic events, helping traders make more informed decisions. The analysis covers everything from currency pair fluctuations and commodity trends to stock market shifts and macroeconomic developments, giving traders a comprehensive view of the markets. Whether you're tracking gold, oil, or major currency pairs, Alpari's analysis section equips you with the tools and insights needed to refine strategies and respond quickly to changing market conditions. And those are some of the top 5 best JFSA regulated forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.